G'day everyone, it's Chris O, the tiler from down under, Queensland, Australia. We're doing another niche, we're doing another bathroom of course. And I'll just turn this camera around. We're just doing another back wall. This I've just put these in, given it a wipe, so there's no glue coming out in the joints. I used a 6mm notch trowel to notch them on. So now I can do the aluminium and the inside parts, and then we'll move down to the foot one, where you can shave your legs, trim your nails, whatever you want. It's at a bang on height for you know, it's so cool, and it doesn't get done very often, but it's just an extra sort of little thing that I do. So I'll just pop this on my head and we'll get started with the aluminium. Don't forget to press the button, subscribe. I do a video every 2 days now, so buckle yourselves in, there's heaps to learn. First off, I do all my cuts, and then I turn the saw to the other 45 and I do all those cuts, so I'm only moving it once. I'm doing all that cut that way. So here we go. It would help if we're plugged in. Switched on. Cool. Right, here we go. So that's it there. See that? Now I cut them all the same. Everything's a little bit dusty because I'm working in a garage at the moment because it's absolute hosing down with rain, and it has been for quite a few days. So all my cutting and everything is in the garage, not out in the outside. So all my tools are getting a bit dusty, but you get that. Niches haven't been in that long, not long at all. Used to be wire hanging baskets and oh god, and then all your soaps would go on the floor and it marks all your shower floor. Niches are the best thing ever. So then I turn the saw around. Not enough. That's better. To make sure that you don't do a stuff up, you always, when you mark your mitre, you always mark it the way it's going. Just a little hint, and then you know. See how I've marked it that way? I'm going off that line. So you know you're cutting it the right way all the time. The black is becoming quite fashionable too, with your black shower and your black tap. Quite cool. The reason why I use a piece of timber, because it helps to hold your aluminium square when you've got it in the saw, and it's a bigger item. I wouldn't like to be trying to hold it like this. That's not the idea of fun. That is so dangerous, doing it like that, holding, you know, without a piece of timber. That's just a smidgy didgy long, so we'll just trim a little bit off. Holding your aluminium just by itself is nut. That's a good way of losing a couple of fingers. And this is 2022. No one should be using a hacksaw and a miter box. You know, like that's probably 130, 150 bucks It's a no-brainer. Why the hell would you use a miter box and a hacksaw? I don't know. When your saw cut is so accurate using a miter saw. No-brainer. There we go. Just might be a little bit tight. If it is, we'll take that plastic off for a start. No, it's nice. It's nice. No, it is. If it's not quite right, just trim a little bit off. Cool. I'll just set my Sigma up and we'll cut these white tires.